Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are creating a little Be Our Guest moment for Valentine's Day. I'm decorating our guest bed and bathroom with soft, romantic touches, simple, cozy, and full of cottage charm. I'll also be making the sweetest DIY heart pillows to add that homemade, love-filled feel. If you love cottage style decorating, gentle Valentine details, and slow, cozy moments in the home, you're in the right place. So let's go get started. I'm pulling out my sewing machine and using leftover fabric from our previous DIY bow project to create something that is meaningful. We're cutting out simple heart shapes and turning them into handmade heart pillows, perfect for a cottage space. I love finding ways to reuse fabric and give it new life, and these pillows can be made in all different sizes, making them perfect for beds, chairs, shelves, or even gifting. A simple, heartfelt DIY that's both beautiful and purposeful. Now, I am not an experienced sewer, and these pillows are not about being perfect. This project is all about enjoying the process, working with what we have, and creating something by hand. The stitches don't have to be flawless for it to be beautiful. Those little imperfections are what make each pillow feel warm and full of charm. I finished sewing these sweet heart pillows in a mix of sizes. I'm honestly in love with how they turned out. Now comes the fun part, finding the perfect spot for them. Styling them in this ladder basket added the sweetest finishing touch. I love how cozy they feel, all layered together, like they've always belonged there. A soft romantic moment full of cottage charm. I'm also going to place one on a chair here in the dining room. It softens this space and makes everyday meals feel a little bit more special. Now we're moving on to creating the coziest stay for our guests, layering warmth, comfort, and those little thoughtful details that makes them feel truly welcomed. I'm so excited to thank Cody for sponsoring today's video and providing their beautiful, luxurious bedding. Their bedding instantly transforms a room into a place you want to slow down, unwind, and feel right at home with its plush comfort and soft textures and timeless beauty. They have breathable, eco-friendly fabrics for a restful stay and thoughtful details that instantly elevate the room. I have a 15% promo code Ashley for you to use, and I will also give you the direct link to this bed set in my description below. I added one of our new heart pillows to the bed, and I think it turned out so precious. Adding a few simple elements to a guest room makes all the difference. A candle warmer brings a soft glow and gentle scent without feeling overwhelming. A pitcher of fresh water with a glass lets guests settle in comfortably for the night. Even some books or magazines tucked away in places gives your guests something to entertain themselves with and to look through. I love this cottage book. I place it in our guest room. It has beautiful pictures. We offered a TV ready to use, remote and nightstand, and easy to access. This adds an extra layer of ease and familiarity. One thing I did want to change was our picture we have hanging in the guest room out. This was a puzzle we had did that I glued and placed in here, but I wanted something more soft and romantic, not only for this season, but going into the spring season as well, that suited this room. And one last finishing touch is I found this adorable little sign out thrifting that says, "Make yourself comfy," which I thought was the perfect addition to our little guest room. Creating a cozy guest bathroom is all about the little comforts that make someone feel truly at home. I like to start with fresh, fluffy towels, neatly rolled or folded and placed within easy reach, along with a soft robe ready for after a shower. I feel so greeted when I step into a bathroom with fresh, beautiful hand soaps, one that feels thoughtfully chosen, not just functional. It makes the guests feel cared for in the sweetest way, and adding a gentle aroma like a soft scented wax warmer layers in that cozy spa like feeling. Layering towels with a little texture and mixing textures makes any bathroom feel soft and not stiff or overstyled. I roll extra washcloths and place them in a woven basket easily for my guests to find. Another little detail I always love to add in the guest bathroom is a small basket with extra toiletries. This way, guests feel comfortable helping themselves and don't feel like they have to ask. One last thing before we finish up, adding a bit of cozy hospitality when a guest is arriving. I love some kind of simple treat, just something warm and comforting to welcome them in. Today, I'm making chocolate chip cookies. There's just something about the smell of cookies baking that instantly makes me feel at home. I'll usually leave a small plate out or tuck a few into a jar so they are ready when our guests arrive. It is a simple gesture but sets the right tone, slow, cozy, and full of care. The kind of welcome that makes you feel right at home the moment you walk through the door. That wraps up our Be Our Guest bedroom refresh. I really wanted this space to feel warm and welcoming with just a touch of Valentine's decor sprinkled in. Thank you so much for spending time with me and decorating along. If you enjoyed this cozy cottage guest room, don't forget to like, subscribe if you are new, and let me know in the comments how you like to welcome guests into your home. Until next time, take care, and we will see you soon. Bye.